Music Pad.
How's it going on, everyone? Welcome back to Enoylity Technology, your best place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. Get ready to leave your all mess to the smartest vacuum cleaner. This is the yeedi vac 2 Pro. It has the strongest cleaning power with 3000 pascals of suction power. It can tackle the wet and the dry mess in just one go. The suction power can be adjusted from minimum 200 pascals to the maximum 3000 pascal. It also has oscillating mopping system, unlike no other vacuum cleaner. This means that the vacuum system moves forth and back to imitate the manual mopping pattern, but it is 5x faster for more thorough cleaning results. It also has 3D obstacles avoidance, which means it senses object in its way and react timely to avoid daily clutter on your floor. It has the most smartest carpet detection sensor. It will auto boost the suction power when on carpet and will avoid carpet when switched to mopping mode. It also has auto empty dustbin mode, which means you don't have to manually take out the dustbin and empty that. The station can lock your dust for up to 30 days. The dust bag has a capacity of 2.5 liters. Talking about the battery status, this cleaner will give you a runtime of around 220 minutes in a charging time of 6.5 hours. It also has the smart visual mapping and navigation system, which identifies your room to reveal your home layout and plans efficient cleaning path for whole floor coverage without missing any spots. The yeedi can also detect space between or under your furniture. Here on the front side we have the 3D detect sensor, the mapping sensor and the auto mode button. As we open up the lid, we have the power switch coming with the reset button, the Wi-Fi indicator and the multi-function cleaning tool. At the back, we have the carpet detection sensor, the edge brush, the water outlet port, even the anti-drop sensor with the flow tracking sensor, the main brush release button and the substitute module. Here are some package contents. You will get to see the robot, the charging dock, the edge brush, the instruction manual, the oscillating mopping and the washable mopping pads. yeedi's app lets you set vacuuming and water flow level for different mess, choose cleaning sequence for specific room area and more with a simple tap of the editable home map. Now let's check how to control this via app. You can download the app by scanning with your code given in the quick start guide, or just search yeedi in your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open up the app and make sure you log in with your registered email ID. Tap Add Robot, choose your vacuum or directly scan the QR code available beneath the top lid. Just make sure that your phone and the vacuum should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Switch on the vacuum, then press the reset button for a second and you will hear robot is ready for network setup. Close the lid and align the QR code displayed on your smartphone in a parallel with the camera of your vacuum cleaner. As the scanning is completed, your robot is successfully connected to your smartphone. Here you can even add multiple devices. This is how the app looks like. At the first we can see the map option to edit the map. Here we can set a no mop zone and then even label the area or even delete the map, the auto cleaning button and even the auto empty station mode. More into the app, there are 4 different vacuum power modes and 3 different water flow modes. You can even set the volume level of the vacuum cleaner. You can turn on the auto boost suction mode in the cleaning settings. Along with it, you can see the continuous cleaning, do not disturb mode and auto empty switch mode. More into the settings panel, you can give your robot a name and you can also see the cleaning log. In addition, you can see the usage of every accessories of your vacuum cleaner, and in case you are not able to find your robot, just tap on Find My Robot and the robot will call you. When you will remove the mopping module from the cleaner, the vacuum will switch itself to vacuum mode, and whenever you want to switch back to mopping and vacuum mode, just attach the mopping module back. Now let's see how to install this self-empty station. First, put away the original docking station, then connect the dock container and the base. Remove the protection film. After that, screw the base rockets. Install the RAM extension for carpet use only. The last thing, connect the power cord. Do make sure that the station has ample amount of clear area around it. These are the vacuum valves from where the station will suck all the dust present inside the vacuum cleaner. These are the infrared signal emitter, the LED indicators and the lead release button. Inside the container you will see dust evacuation tube and the dust bag socket. This is how the dust evacuation tube is placed and looks from the bottom of the self-empty station. So this was all about the Yeedi Vac 2 Pro. I hope you liked this video. If so, hit that like button, do share this video and also give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.